Hey, what's up, everybody? Here's a upgraded version of the XRP spreadsheet. Instead of just having XRP, you could have multiple cryptocurrency inputted into it. So, for example, let's start up here with the XRP, 2,000 shares, 40 cents, $8. Um, Projected price in the future, let's say it went up to $10. Profit, 19. But don't forget about taxes. Um, okay. XLM. Let's say 1,000 shares at at 8 cents. Let's say go up to $2 profit, and on and on and on. So yeah, pretty simple. Let's make sure to input your debt here. You could change the name. Let's say yep, etc. All right. So your total is going to come up to here. Um, all right. So when you want to profit by percentage, this is how you can profit by percentage. Okay. But all this is calculated by taxes. This right here actually long-term tax. All right. So if you want to change it up, depending on your state, double tap and then change the percentage rate. Okay. And here stating after debt, this includes this right here, your total. So this total will be subtracted by this. Okay. And it's going to show down here. So let's say XRP goes up. Let's say you purchase 100,000 XRP. You would have made this after taxes. You would have had that. You was gonna have to pay this for taxes though. But after you pay off your debt, you would you would have gained this. So percentage wise, if you would have pulled out at 20%, you would have stayed oh. But if you pulled out 30, yeah, you would have this amount and 40 and on onward. Okay. Pretty simple spreadsheet. Have fun. All right. Peace.